Hi, in this video we are going to see how you can utilize this recruitment expenses tracker template to keep track of all your recruitment expenses. So first of all, we have a summary section on the left which shows the budgeted expenses, the actual expense incurred, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of total expenses that has been incurred. And on the right side we can see that it has got expense sources, the expenses that you have made bifurcated into budgeted and actual expense amount, and the transactions which you are going to record over here for the expenses. So under the expenses sources, I have categorized expenses under three categories, that is advertising, agency, and screening. Under advertising, we can see three subcategories, and for each of the categories, there are three subcategories. If you want to edit any of this, simply click over here and type out whatever category you want to set. Click on done. And if you want to edit any subcategory, simply click on this pencil icon to edit this subcategory. You can also add a new subcategory by clicking on this new over here, and it will quickly add a new subcategory for you. Moving on to expenses, we can see for each of the expenses, we have got the budgeted expense amount, the actual expense that is being reflected, and the percentage of total expenses that has been incurred. So this is quickly updated as you enter the transactions on the right side. So under the transactions, you have the date field over here. So you can select here and choose your particular date, whatever you want to set. Then you can put the description of the expense, and then under the account, once you click over here, all the different categories of expenses, subcategories of expenses will be populated. So you can click any of the subcategory as you have added, and then choose the particular account. And then finally, you can enter the amount of expense which will automatically update. So this is quickly a walkthrough of the recruitment expenses tracker and how you can utilize this template to keep track of all your recruitment expenses. This template is entirely customizable to your requirement. So feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com if you want to customize this template. Thank you. Have a great day.